Bharatiya Janata Party's Telangana Mahila Morcha has called in for a candlelight protest against the Kolkata Ajikar Medical College doctors' alleged rape and murder case, demanding justice. We are joined by the president of Telangana Mahila Morcha. What do you like to say? The probe is on. CBI has taken this case. What do you have to say?
See, the CBI has already taken the case of Sushant Singh Rajput also. But no, since everybody has an that CBI may probe into the issues fast, but since it's been 1 week, no clues have been given about the accused, nor what is going to happen to the what justice is being given to the lady over there. So we demand an immediate justice to the women. At the same time, we demand a resignation of Mamata Banerjee, who being a woman CM cannot provide justice to the own women in the country, own women in the state. Then what is the point of being a CM? It's not the first incident. Without even forgetting the Sandesh Kali incident or the Chopra incident, we are again seeing incidents in Kolkata. No woman is safe in Kolkata. So we demand an immediate resignation of Mamata Banerjee. She has no right, she has no legal authority, she has no constitutional propriety to continue as a CM anymore. Thank you.
So, well, we are here at the candlelight protest that has been called in front of the Ambedkar statue here in Hyderabad. The BJP Mahila Morcha is marching from this Ambedkar statue at the Necklace Road here, demanding that justice must be given to the deceased, the victim in this Kolkata horror, and the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, must resign is what they are demanding.
To demand justice for the doctor, she was raped in Kolkata, and until now we didn't get clear investigation or anything was done. So we are here to we have the right to demand justice, and also the culprits who have done this have to be at least in custody, and then they have to be questioned at least before putting them in jail or something. They have to be questioned, and the truth has to be known. It just can't be slided off like it is a suicide or something.
See, we want justice. The basic need is the justice. The culprit Sanjay Roy or whatever he has done so many things before, like so many domestic violence and so much before, but still he's not behind the bars. He's still roaming, breathing the same air that we are breathing. He's still alive. That even the thought burns me from inside. Like, how can he still be alive after doing so many crimes? He has abused 4 women. There are some news that he abused his mother too. Like, that is like the cheapest thing someone can do. And this rape, I don't think we are gonna get justice. The way the CM is reacting, that is like too bad. How can she tell that boys and girls talking to each other are creating all these rapes and all? That is like the worst thing she can say. So we just want justice. We want his penis to be chopped off. Like, why does he even alive? Yeah, that is the thing.
This is such a heinous act that has happened. It's a multiple rape and murder case. So actually they have found out that even from his nails and things like that, and also the semen is 150 grams. Until and unless some multiple rapes have happened, that won't be the case. It is really a shame that such things are happening in our states like this, and state police are all to be monitored by the state governments. And it's such a shame, and we have a women chief minister who is now so irresponsible, and she is going on the roads protesting. It is her duty, and against whom she is protesting. She is supposed to bring everybody to justice. This is what we are demanding. Thank you so much.
Camera person Junaid Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.